Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the E flat chord. The chord is also called E flat major. First, you locate your root note, E flat, one key down from E. Place your first finger there. Then you locate your next note, the note G. Place your third finger there. The last note is the note B flat. One key down from B, like this. E flat major. Now, because the E flat major is in fact a 3-note chord, 1, 2, 3, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This one is called the root inversion because we have the root note at the bottom. To make our next inversion, we move the root note E flat all the way to the top, like this. We move our hand. This is called E flat first inversion. Again, we move the bottom note all the way to the top. This is called E flat second inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion, moving the bottom note all the way to the top, we will in fact be back at root note position, only 1 octave higher, right? So this inversion is the same as this inversion, root inversion. Okay, let's do it one more time. E flat, root inversion, bottom note to the top. E flat first inversion, bottom note to the top. E flat second inversion, and the last one, bottom note to the top. And we're back at E flat root inversion. And of course you can do this backwards or downwards. You move the top note to the bottom, like this. This is E flat second inversion, top note to the bottom, E flat first inversion, top note to the bottom, E flat root inversion. Now to practice these inversions, simply do like this. Root inversion, first inversion, second inversion, root inversion, root inversion, second inversion, first inversion, and root inversion. Now lastly, I'm going to show you how you can practice these inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. There you have it, the E flat major chord. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.